Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger always connecting error or no connection error. If you're trying to open up your Messenger application and check out your messages, but you are not being able to do so since it shows you a connecting message or no internet connection message, then here are some fixes you could try out. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To fix your Messenger always connecting issue, the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and wait until it gets connected on your mobile device. And once it does, tap open your Messenger app and see if that fixes the issue. If it works for you, then your problem was network related. Once you are connected to an internet, you should be able to operate your Messenger app just fine. If you still are not able to fix your problem, the next thing to do is to check for latest updates for Messenger app. Simply go tap open your Play Store and in the search box, search for Messenger. Once you find the Messenger application displayed on the next page, if you see an update button, simply tap on the update button to get the latest version of Messenger app downloaded on your mobile device. Once you have the latest version, your problem should be solved. Simply tap open your Messenger app and see if that fixes the issue. If not, the next thing to do is to clear cache from your Messenger app on your Android device. Tap open settings from your app drawer and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. From the list of the apps displayed, search for Messenger. Once you spot it, give it a tap. In the app info page, tap on storage. Tap clear cache at the lower right hand corner. Doing this will clear out your cache data from your Messenger app. Now you can simply go back and tap open your Messenger and see if that fixes the issue. If nothing else works out, you can simply delete the application entirely from your mobile device and re-download the application back again. And that might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever your Facebook Messenger keeps always connecting and it does not let you use your application like you normally would. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.